Living in Bali or living anywhere, there are always things that must be done. Today I must get my motorcycle repaired. I need a new swing arm, and I may as well get it serviced while I'm here. By 9 a.m., my bike is up on the lift. Everything takes time in Bali, but this dealership is very comfortable, so just make yourself at home. It could take a while. I guess it's time for coffee. Here's a nice place to sit. Over here, I see they have some Balinese treats and fresh fruit. Time to check on the bike. I see he's working on my swing arm. This could take a little while longer. It's a beautiful day outside. Maybe I'll just go take a walk and see what I can find. What do we have here? It appears to be a pop-up coffee vendor. Coffee is just about the national drink of Indonesia. In fact, you may have heard coffee referred to as Java. This young man makes each cup individually. He grinds the beans into a powder, boils the water, and makes you a cup of coffee. This coffee really smells delicious. I think I'll just sit here on the steps, enjoy this cup of coffee, and watch the world go by. Time to check on my bike. It appears it's just about ready. I'll just go sit down in the waiting area for a while. I got the bill, $329,000, just about $20, and all I have to do is wait for my bike to be washed. The work is done, the bike is ready to be washed. Unfortunately, the guys that wash the bikes are out to lunch for an hour. I guess I'll grab something to eat too. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon now. The traffic is insane, and I've got to get across the street to get something to eat. So I had to cross that busy street. I had so much trouble, but now I'm having makan, some nasi campur. So here I sit. I just got a message, my bike is ready. I got to get back to the dealership, but first I got to cross this street again. Thank you very much for helping me. I really appreciate all the help.
Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you, Deva, for a job well done. But now I've got to get into this traffic to drive home another 40 minutes. A 6-hour day. Well, now you see how a retired New Yorker spends a day getting things done in Bali.